Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Sambhaji Kale. Today's topic is Code Federal Regulation, in which what is a Code Federal Regulation, in which the Codes of Federal Regulations Annual Edition is the codification of the general permanent rule published in the Federal Register by the departments and agency federal government. It's called Federal Code Federal Regulation, in which the online CFR is joint project authorized by publisher, in which the National Archives and Records Administration's Office of the Federal Register and the government publishing office to provide the public with enhanced process or access to government information, in which the CFR on government information is current with the published print version of the CFR. When the print edition is are the released, the online version also made available, in which is a CFR or volume is not listed in the CFR browse. That volume has not yet been published, in which the 50 subject matter title contains one or more individual volumes which are updated once each calendar year on a staggered basis. The annual update cycle is follows. Title 1 and 16 are reversed as January 1. Titles 70 and 27 reversed as April 1. Title 28 to 41 are revised as of July 1. Title 42 to 50 are revised as October of 1. The Code of Federal Regulation, Title 21 CFR, is specific to rules and regulation of the FDA. Regulation pertaining to human subjects. Research include protection of human subjects like 21 CFR, 15 financial disclosure by clinical investigation, in which there is a different research code of federal regulation are there, and the Code of Federal Regulation is a compendium of the general and permanent rules and regulation published in an federal register by the federal executive departments and agencies, and in which CFR there is a law and regulation, in which the first edition of the CFR was published in 1938, and it has since gone through many changes. Like, these rules are considered legally binding. Just any statute the office of the Federal Register publishes the CFR annually in 15 titles, in which Code Federal Regulation there is a two CFR are there, 45 CFR 46, protection of a human subjects under United States law, in which 1974 in the United States the Code of Federal Regulation is Title 45, in which public welfare part 46 provides protection for human subjects in research carried out or supported by most federal departments of the agencies, and also how many regulations in CFR, in which a full set of CFR consists of approximately 200 volumes. The approximately 200 CFR volumes are revised at least once a year on quarterly basis as follows. Title 1 to 16 as of January 1 titles, as they say, and there are these rules are considered legally binding just as any statute, and in which here this is all about Code Federal Regulation, and this information is very important in clinical trials and pharmacovigilance.